6 plus 6 gives us 12. 3 times 12 equals 36. Drop down 252 and divide it by 36. This gives us 7. But this solution is wrong and this answer is not correct. Because according to the PEMDAS rules, our first step is to calculate what is inside the parentheses. Then next we evaluate the exponents. The next step is to solve the multiplication and the division components. Finally perform addition and subtraction. And all our operations will be performed from left to right. Okay, let's start our solution. In our problem we have this division and this multiplication. Also we have this parentheses for this multiplication. In mathematics, if a number is placed next to parentheses, this means multiplication, and we don't write the multiplication sign for conciseness. By following the PEMDAS rules, first we must do this parentheses, after that we do this division, and finally we do this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. So we will start with this parentheses. We have 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 252 divided by 3 times 12. Now we have this division and this multiplication. Let's take this division. 252 divided by 3 gives us 84 times 12 gives you 1008. So this was our final answer to this problem.